चल इधर वे साडा पहलवान जागा पहलवान मागा पहलवान
Two men who have competitive fire entrenched in their DNA. Goldberg definitely not afraid of Brock Lesnar. Everybody else in the world may be afraid of Brock. Goldberg is not one of those men. Goldberg said a few weeks ago, I have no problem going to the hospital after this match, but I'm going to make sure Brock Lesnar comes with me.
Only one other man in his one-on-one pay-per-view victories over Brock Lesnar. That's John Cena. Goldberg looks to do it tonight, and Brock Lesnar looking to establish dominance, and Goldberg dropping Lesnar.
Goldberg was unfazed,
and Lesnar couldn't believe it. A look of shock in the eyes of the beast who is planted by Goldberg.
No fear from Goldberg.
Spear! Goldberg hit Lesnar with a spear! A spear from out of nowhere!
Goldberg may shock the world. Goldberg looking to end this early.
Lesnar's hurt! Lesnar's hurt! Goldberg again with a spear! Two spears to Lesnar! Brock's in trouble! Brock's in trouble!
I don't think anybody expected this sort of dominance right out of the gate from Goldberg.
The Beast may be on the verge of getting slayed.
What an incredible moment here! Lesnar trying to catch his breath, trying to make it to his feet.
The icon is stalking the Beast incarnate.
Lesnar can't even get up. Goldberg again. He's got Lesnar center of the ring.
Goldberg's looking for a jackhammer.
He's looking for the jackhammer. Goldberg looking for the jackhammer. A jackhammer to Lesnar. After upset. After 12 years, Goldberg returns to the ring and absolutely destroys the Beast.
I cannot believe what I just witnessed.
You and me both. Goldberg said he had one last jackhammer, and that one last jackhammer was good enough to pin Brock Lesnar.
The entire world has got to be in shock right now.
Oh, yeah! This is it! Lesnar's waited since Survivor Series for this moment.